Begin by sitting in thunderball pose, with hips resting on the heels, knees together. You can sit on a block or a pillow if this is more comfortable. Exhale, lift your arms up, and as you hinge forward from your hips, coming into child's pose. Open your knees wider than hip width. Stretch your arms out big. Your toes are touching. You can rest your forehead on the mat, or for more of a neck stretch, touch your chin to the floor. Relax here and connect with your breath. Feel your hips softening towards the heels as you relax your lower back. From the center, walk both hands to the right. Fold into child's pose, leaning to the right. Keep your left sitting bone down towards your heels and stretch your left arm out. Breathe into the left side of the ribs and feel the opening there. Calm your mind by listening to each breath. Stretch a little bit more, reaching the left hand out. Relax the right shoulder. Relax the low back. Just a couple more breaths here. Inhale fully through your nose and exhale through your nose. Inhale, walk your hands back to center. Exhale, walk both hands over to the left, folding in child's pose. Keep your right sitting bone reaching down towards your heels as you stretch the right arm out to the left. Relax your chin or forehead onto the mat. Breathe into your right side body, feeling the stretch through your shoulder, hip, and arm. Quiet your thoughts by listening to your breath. Relax a little bit more. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your nose. Inhale through your nose and walk your hands back to center. Rise up to your hands and knees. Make sure your wrists are under your shoulders and your knees are under your hips. Begin flowing through cat and cow. Inhaling for cow pose as you dip the belly and curve the spine. Exhaling for cat pose as you round the back and tuck your chin. Keep flowing with your breath, back and forth. When you come into cat pose, pull the belly button in toward the spine, engaging the abs. As you come into cow pose, lift the tailbone towards the sky. Return to neutral spine to begin side bending. Exhale as you gaze over the right shoulder and squeeze the hips out to the side. Inhale to center and exhale, squeeze your side body to the left. Inhale to center and keep going side to side. Each time squeezing your head towards your shoulder, gazing over that shoulder. Feel your abs working here. Now we will add down dog into our cat-cow flow. Inhale, tuck the toes under. Exhale, lift the hips up and back into down dog. Then round your spine, bringing your knees to the floor. In cat, inhale, dip the belly. For cow, exhale into downward facing dog. Use your breath, rounding the back through cat, dipping the belly through cow. Exhaling to lift the hips up and back. Continue on, feeling your spine warming up. Using your core, stretching your legs. Keep your hands and feet planted. One last round. And back to hands and knees. Inhale, lift the right leg behind you. Exhale, squeeze the abs in as you bring your knee to your nose. Continue on with your breath. Try to touch your forehead to your knee. Lift the leg as high as you can. Squeeze your core. Make sure your hands are planted down, fingers spread. And relax the right knee down. From neutral spine, reach the right arm forward and up, making a big circle, reaching the hand behind your back. Then circle the arm forward and down. Inhale, reach all the way up. Tuck your hand behind you. Exhale, bring the hand all the way back to the mat. Make a full circle, opening up the shoulder joints. Use your breath and feel your chest and spine opening as you reach up and back. Make sure your hips are still over your knees. Nice big circles. Use your breath one last time. And plant the right hand on the mat. Back at hands and knees. Lift your left leg behind you in the air. Inhale. Exhale, round your back, bringing the knee to the nose. Inhale, lift the leg up and back. Exhale, knee to nose. Use your breath and keep flowing. Squeeze your abs in as you bring the knee to nose. Make sure your wrists are under your shoulders, fingers are spread wide. Use your breath. Just a couple more. Do your best. Squeeze the knee in and rest the left knee down on the mat. From neutral spine, inhale, reach your left arm forward and up, all the way back behind you. Exhale, reach down and hand back down to the mat. Inhale, full shoulder circle. Exhale, return your hand down to the floor. Continue on circling the shoulders, opening the chest and feeling a slight twist through your mid and upper back. Flow with your breath. Make sure your hips are over your knees. One last round. Nice deep breath. Full circle back to center. Tuck your toes under. Lift the hips back to downward facing dog. Then step forward on top of the mat, standing in forward fold. Relax your torso all the way down. Grab your opposite elbow and let your spine completely relax. Even your head and neck. Take a few relaxing breaths here. Lift your sitting bones towards the sky. Allow your spine to decompress. Allow your shoulders to relax. Quiet your thoughts, listening to each breath. Bend your knees, roll up vertebrae by vertebrae to standing. Finding mountain pose. In mountain pose, step your feet hip-width apart and spread the toes. Inhale, reach the arms overhead, clasp your hands together and reach up towards the sky. Then lift your heels, coming onto the balls of the feet. Squeeze the calves, squeeze the glutes, and press the palms as high toward the sky as you can. If this is too difficult, you can put your feet down. Scrunch the shoulders up towards the ears. Engage your abs for better balance. Pulling the belly button in. Exhale, bring the heels to the floor, keeping your palms pressed towards the sky. Exhale and side bend to your right. Try keeping the arms back by the ears. Press the palms up and out. Keep the left heel firmly planted on the mat and feel the stretch through your left side body. Deep breath here. Draw the arms back by the ears. Bend a little deeper. And inhale, rise up to center. Stretch up tall and exhale. Side bend to the left. Keep your right foot planted. Reach up and out from your right hip. Keep drawing the arms back by the ears and press the palms up and out. Pull your belly button in slightly for better balance. Stay with your breath. Reach a little farther. Inhale, rise up to center. Exhale and hinge forward from the hips. Flip your hands now so the knuckles are reaching away from you. Try to keep your spine flat and parallel to the ground. If this is too intense, you can use a chair or a stool. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings and reach farther. Engage your abs slightly. Keep breathing. Inhale, lengthen out even more. Exhale, relax all the way down to forward fold. Plant your palms and step your feet back to plank pose. Your shoulders are aligned over your wrists. Your fingers are spread wide. Your body is in one straight line from your ankles to your shoulders. Engage your abs, pulling the belly button in. Keep your breath steady and focus on the mat in front of you. Stay strong. Squeeze your thighs and glutes. Exhale, relax your knees on the mat and come down to your belly. Untuck your toes and slide your hands back next to your rib cage. Inhale and press up to cobra pose. Exhale, roll back down. Flow back and forth into cobra pose. Inhale as you press into the hands and rise up. Exhale as you melt back down to the floor. Each time you press up into cobra pose, lift a tiny bit higher, even just a millimeter. Keep the tops of your feet resting on the mat. Squeeze your glutes gently as you press up. Open the heart in the front of the shoulders. One more time. Relax your arms down. Now roll yourself onto your back and we will practice supported fish pose. Grab your block or a book and place it flat under your back, going vertically up your spine, just behind your shoulder blades. Then lie back so your head is on the mat. Interlace your fingers and reach your arms overhead. The block should be pressing your heart up towards the sky. Your hips and legs should be relaxed on the mat. Your arms and shoulders relax. Feel your upper back opening. Relax here as much as you can. Close your eyes and listen to your breath. Breathe deeply into your whole body, sending yourself good energy. Take a deep breath in and out. You can stay here or you can remove the block and just stay flat on the ground in Shavasana. Final relaxation. Relax. Breathe in and out. And give your body a moment to restore and rejuvenate. You can come out of this pose when you are ready. Great job today. Namaste.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like and click on the subscribe button for more amazing videos.